If your lawyer's office feels more like a call center than a law firm, there is a reason for that. There is a kind of personal injury firm that is actually not fighting for you. It's not fighting for you. It's processing it. In the legal world, we call it a settlement mill. All high volume, low attention, fast paperwork, quiet payouts. If you hired a firm after a crash and something feels off, you're not imagining it. I'm going to give you a checklist. 5 signs that the law firm you hired is running a settlement mill and processing your case, not fighting for it. I'm Garrick McFadden. I'm an AV-rated personal injury lawyer here in Phoenix with the law firm GAMESQ. I built GAMESQ specifically to be an alternative to the mill model. I know exactly how mills operate because I've seen what they leave behind. Clients who were never prepped, files that were never worked, cases that settled for a fraction of what they were worth because nobody ever treated them like they mattered. By the end of this video, you will know whether your lawyer is in your corner or not, or what your options are if they're not. Sign number 1, you have never spoken to your actual lawyer. Not on intake, not on a 30-day check-in, not when the demand went out. If every conversation is with a case manager, a paralegal, or a rotating assistant, that is a signal. Mills keep lawyers away from clients because lawyer time is expensive, and the mill's whole model depends on keeping that time off your file. Sign number 2, nobody is investigating your case. No scene photos requested, no witness statements gathered, no 911 audio pulled, no crash reconstruction discussed, no conversations about at-fault driver history or insurance policy limits. A serious injury case is built from the beginning. If nothing is being built, nothing is being proven. Sign number 3, your medical treatment is being managed, but not your case. Mills are very good at routing you to the same chiropractor, the same imaging center, the same pain clinic. That is not a legal strategy. That is a billing pipeline. Medical treatment should follow your injury, not a script. And your lawyer should be thinking about how the treatment will read to an adjuster, a defense lawyer, or a jury. Sign number 4, you cannot get a straight answer about where your case stands. Ask 3 simple questions. What stage is my case in? What is the next step? Who at the firm is responsible for it? If the answers are vague, if they change week to week, if nobody calls you back for days at a time, that is not a staffing issue. That is a model working as designed. Sign number 5, the settlement conversation feels rushed. A low offer comes in, and suddenly the tone shifts. Take the money. It's a good result. Litigation is risky. Trial takes years. Sometimes that advice is right, but at a mill, it's almost always the advice because trial is one thing that the mill is not set up to do. If your lawyer has never credibly prepared your case for the courtroom, the insurance company already knows. So, what do you do if you recognize your law firm is this list? First, slow down. You do not have to make a decision today. Second, ask questions in writing. You are the client. You are allowed to understand your own case. Third, get a second opinion. Sometimes your current lawyer is actually doing good work that just was never explained to you. And sometimes they're not. Either way, you deserve to know the difference. If you want a second opinion from a firm that was built to be the opposite of a mill, you can reach out to GAMESQ PLC or visit our website or call me at 623-233-4416. You do not have to stay stuck in a case that nobody is fighting for. At GAMESQ, it is always your injuries, our fight, your win.